For this meditation, sit comfortably upright on a chair or on the floor and allow your spine to be straight. Let your shoulders open and lift up your chin. Today you will attract and connect with the universal energy. Sit tall and proud and allow yourself to open your heart. In this meditation, you will attract and connect with your soulmate. Take few deep breaths here with a slow inhale and a slow exhale. Try as much as possible to form a beautiful pattern of your breath. Don't force it, just observe your natural rhythm. As you inhale, see the air going through your heart, and as you exhale, see the air going through your heart. With every breath, you feel your heart and your chest expanding even more. Become intentional with every breath throughout this meditation. Your breath will be the guide to opening deeper and connecting greater. Now take a moment to visualize your heart. See it not as a physical form, but rather see it in its energetic outline, in whatever colors that it appears to you. With your spine upright and your shoulders open, you signal a full openness to the universal energy. As you focus here, allow yourself to feel open, willing, and ready. Open, willing, and ready to accept, to open up to your soul's highest love. That so much, it is out there, your soulmate. Now picture yourself sitting in your favorite spot in nature, be it on a sunset beach, on the top of a mountain or a hill. Take a few moments to see with your mind's eye your surroundings. Feel the light breeze on your skin, the sun on your face, the smell of the fresh air. As you look around you, Your eyes can take in so much space, and your heart expands even more into the space up to the horizon. You see the waves of the sea going up and down, either the mountains or the hills around you going up and down, and you see your life's ups and downs as well. You see it as a blessing because it brought you to this very moment. In this moment, you are ready to open and connect to your soulmate. Allow yourself to feel grateful for all the ups and downs in your life. With the gratitude flowing through your body, you feel opening up even more. Now recognize that your soulmate might not be ready, might not be where you are. Allow yourself to tell them in your mind, I love and accept you, and I welcome you whenever you are ready. Now take a very deep, long inhale, and whenever you're ready, exhale heavily and release any attachments to needing your soulmate to be here right now. Allowing yourself to accept your own power and love for yourself allows your soulmate the time and the space to become ready as you did yourself. In this openness, you allow yourself to become the magnet that attracts them in the perfect timeline. You allow yourself to be open without being controlling. This allows you to be an energetic match. You let everything to work out without any struggle or fear. Now allow yourself to relax into your self-love and feel their energy being attracted to you. They are attracted by your inner peace, by your awareness, and by the power of your self-love. Notice how this feels. Notice the energy around you. Notice any changes in your well-being right in this moment. Gently and slowly ask yourself the question: what do you feel capable of from a place of complete self-love? Trust and know that you can connect with your soulmate's energy even if they are not around you. You can connect to them in the energetic field right now. As soon as you let go of needing them to be around you and loving them wherever they are right now, the timelines speed up and you come into each other's lives. Enjoy the fact that you know they are out there. You know you both are on a journey towards each other. For the next few moments, send some appreciation and love towards your heart and towards your soulmate. Now let your soulmate know in your heart that you love them and accept them wherever they are right now. Take this feeling of appreciation, love, and gratitude and bring it into your day. As you slowly coming back to your body, to the space that you're in, allow the feeling of joy, of gratitude, of love, and self-love to flow with you through your day. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.